All right, just want to do a quick short on replacing headlight assembly on a 2011, I think it goes to 19 Jeep Grand Cherokee. I just got a replacement OE look headlight from Rock Auto. Quality's half decent, and they're not too expensive. Here's one of the part numbers if you want to see it. Made in Taiwan, not China, which is always good. So basically all I did, I'm going to do both sides, but I'm just going to do one at a time in case I got to leave. There are a couple push-in plastic retainer clips. You got to just pop out and pull them. Easy, no big deal. Then you just pull off this trim piece, and then the bumper slides out. That's all it is. Loosen the grill. The grill just comes out of these points right here. There's no bolts for those, and there's two push pins for this to lift it up. So you could take the whole thing off, but I just do a little bit, do the right side, put it back together, do the left side, instead of having to deal with the bumper off and disconnecting the fog lights and everything. Hopefully that helps you. And there's only 3 bolts that hold this in. One goes here, here, one on the top there. I'll lift this up. So it just sneaks right back in there, and there's a little bump right here. So after you pull the 10 millimeter bolt out, you just lift it up over and it comes right out. Nice and easy. There are 1, 2, 3, I think there's 4, there's 3 or 4. These are for the 2 bulbs, high and low beam. I think this might be the marker turn signal, and then I think there's a marker light somewhere back here. This one is for the marker. So there's 4 total. Easy in and out. So you don't have to take the whole thing off if you don't want to. You can just sneak it in there. Hope this helps.